So yeah guys, another big dog's forex video. Just gonna show you guys psychological levels. Everything is on my phone. I prefer my PC though, but whenever I'm on my PC I don't think of these things. Let me just look for, that's the psychological level 1, psychological level 2 is, oh my gosh, $200. Okay, we had to clone that. Clone. So I'll just explain after placing everything. I want you guys to look at what's happening by far. Just look at where price is rejecting. I want you guys to notice that. Let me just clone this one as well. And the levels, and I check on the right hand side. It's fine. Let me just at least like put maybe one last one. 700. Yes. Okay, maybe the last one. Let's see here. Right. I'm gonna zoom in and try to place it properly. If you look at price, that's like 30,600 exactly. Look at that. Look at where it rejected. That's why most of the time. Okay, let's just finish explaining these levels. Okay, get where price rejected as well. Rejected here, didn't close above. Even here, didn't close. That's why they say the candles, the wicks do the damage and the body tells the story. Right, even here, let's see. Look, yes. If you look here, price did that, closed on the level as well. Let's look at this one. Nothing really happened there. Came back here, closed exactly on that level. But you'll notice this wick, it closed on that order block. It respected that order block. Oh my gosh, the art of this thing. Okay, if you notice, let's notice, yeah. So I just did the psychological levels and I didn't add the half psychologicals, but it's fine, I'll do that just now. If you notice, even here, notice what happens on these levels. These are very strong levels, by the way. So if you would have an order block aligned with the psychological level, Dawg just full pot that thing. That's not financial advice, by the way. Sensational. Yeah, just look at what happens. Look at that. Look at this, an order block. Look at what happened on the order block on the psychological level. Look at that. Price went up, it ran away. Let's see. Still have that. Even here. And it's playing. So yeah, right. I just want you to have an idea of the psychological levels. Now let me add the half psychologicals. I'll start with here. Clone. The half psychologicals are the 50s. So if the 650. Let me just do this. Let's dash it. and clone it. 750. Okay, that's fine. Just clone it. 850. That's fine. See also that one as well, respected. That's fine. I can't even do anything now on this chart. That's 50. That's fine. Yo. Yeah, I think that's fine. Let's see here. So look at what price does in these levels, or rather on these levels. Right. Look at that order block here. This one. And the small vivid gap there respected so nicely. Oh, actually the high press. This is the high press. This is the high press. Check the order block 1. Order block 1. Let's go. And order block 2. Order block 2. Order block 2. But that's a big time frame, bro. 4 hour. But it's just to show the concept of the high press. You notice that. Right. So normally once you break a level, you would expect, once you break a psychological level, you can target the half psychological, but in most cases it goes to the next psychological level. Right. Broke this one, went to that one. I love how it went from this half psychological to the next half psychological, and then you just kept going. It's nice. Oh, we have a break on a psychological level as well. That's nice. It's nice. I remember I traded psychological levels for like a week. After that, I was like, now that I'm back testing, yeah, this thing is so nice. I wanna leave. Yes. All right. Look at that one as well. This one. All respected. But hey, these things are nice, when you're back testing. I know it's very hard to catch them when you're trading. But yeah, I just hope you guys notice the levels. Oh, I'm showing you these levels on a big time frame. You can always, you guys know of the quarter psychological levels. They should be between these levels in here and in here. But we're not going to do that. And then you can always trade that on small time frames. Literally, let's do the 1 minute. You can always trade those in between those levels. Literally. Here's our order block respected. Do I want to take the buy? Let me see. It's a clean buy. But it's fine. No. Right. So normally maybe you would take an entry on a half psychological level, maybe here, and then go to the next. That's a big move. It looks small on the big time frame. That's a big move. Right. So yeah, hope that video was educational. I hope you took a thing or two there. Yeah. So yeah.